Sir John.
Na but I want to say.
Hello.
Na me too kan ho ye.
Na me dem Sir John.
Ah, da baby a minimi ho na na mo ho.
Sir John Pacho.
Online nye na me se baby a minimu yi ho na na mo yi.
Na ben Kejetia antwa so.
Aha, good. Ene you betime di nko. But on Akwasi Prempeh president at the Federation of Kumasi Traders. On a minute in command of pay. Nana, yeah, call by Jebu. Now we have the board. And the former Musa Samojin is saying,
Well, Sir John Medas, Mamma Falconia in Namenchia, the TF4. Na yema empanyinfo a eni akwanya ba se omoba be asonfo ede ama Kumasi City Market Limited yema omunyina etri enkwa na empanyinfo a akane omuso som se board of directors a omudo mudwumadi nso abawie ye no so yema omumo ne yo won pempenso a omudi Kejetia eba bedruye na so we be say ya jene say ya beka say any gisem isan say there are several policy decisions that needs to be taken current management omuntimi enteki omuntimi ensi ginaye epo opanyina ene wa baba ye board chairman osaye Kejetia KMA mayor there are several policy decisions ebra obehwe chirebe afini no na ese kotimi si gina ya ni nyina wa ntimi ansi eti board abai de yesusu se asempa na Kejetia ate na no pay
na they say mo ankasade na mo have free board no ho
well say don me da say so ka say e de na ye hwehwe free board ho a so de ye nyina ye nim no board of directors enye management board of directors initiate policy na omama policy direction e the management enti management and running the day-to-day affairs of the facility enti ejodifo ne de ye nim say o how be ejonim ye nti ehun ase obi mu a ejodifo interest at any point in time biano e management omo hwe daada ntoto ye so ena ye ne omo ebedi ahia eti yesusu se sabre ya ye ni a permanent management no say the current management board no be afemu omo say omo afemu omo say omo di new group na bebo the ye hwe ene say these current management members say board no be afemu omo dia na board no ebe ka omachi ama omatimi ede ensiseye ana efa edwa hutirimupo eni susu ya mpanyufo ede sise edwa isi ho ma yen no board no ebe ma management ni tumi na omatimi ede emra ni siseye aye adwuma ewo Kejetia ho say if board no susu se nipa fofo na omode omobeba nso abehwe akire dia eni omunso ebe ma enipa na omode omobeba no nso sabe obi a omunum edwanum na bako so mbi ombetimi ahwe edwaniye because only contractor and consultant and technical people for no a omu di edwano eba aye na the omu kan say Kejetia no ehia technical management empanyufo a omu osua hunu ewo abefo kwan a omu di fasi edwano eti this is what we have said from the board say eba say omu be man management
I see. More reps are. I also know. Say more reps. Saying.
Ejadifo ewe sinemu mienu ene woso. Also akanena yawo central market. Ene old Kejetia. Enti yenu aba Evelyn Asamoah Buodu. A ta friend ntoma. Ene wona ye ntoma hema no. Onu ne AC Central Market that then ena Dr. Bernard Kwesi Jomo adodo na friend Bentronic onu so na AC Old Kejetia on AC eniamen
nti sana net ana monya additional rep.
No, previously sana na etie na ye ma me mere enkroma akane ntomahema onna me si old central market for and yen papa wanya ne baby ko Mr. Anthony Kwabena Obin on na me esi Kejetia for and so those two reps no na eme ya replace them.
Oh, okay, I see. Now just say more said the bear more betimi mo voices nsema mpesa mo de kono be drew penifo honti no is a moment mienu anamukra mienu also.
Yes,
it is well. It is well.
But second, me di sema me want to say a back Kejetia me far by nisie ene ne Prempeh so abedua. You the institutional nana amwama hene. And I know say nana ebebua ni nia apejahene a wabesi nana because the interest of Nigeria must also be protected. Kejetia na esi ono asanteme ejapade a legacy project we need to protect it. Now institutional amwama hene I think say by because there are certain classified documents that came as an institution but the institutional amwama hene ewo I think say all the supporter or the bema unia nana apeja hene na seeking the interest of Asantuma in terms of Kejetia project I think say board ni be here the resources to project sebeya the you say ni the omu sini nyina no I don't say nana ebe volunteer because for the interest of Nigeria and Asantuma na say don na minka bi bin show Kejetia board na abano sabe o share representation na on paper you cannot look down upon anybody but as traders union you better channel your grievances in the strongest possible term. So board needs to say a policy guidelines of the management, management in the best of the Bayajuma. Now somehow, some way, so I don't say 2023 banning now board and a limping board because two representatives of the board, Nameton Safro Moyera, the traders rep, Free Kejetia, and a finance ministry rep. Na ono no ekwa it is not board being so active since 2023. So year 2026 a full complement of the board in the year. As traders, all the grievances are essentially your reps in the deco. Essentially, a board your best submitting officially to the secretary to the board. Now, we must take a decisive decision on it. So, yes, also said last week, the catch was at your press conference. Nankela inuneti or how would you be several reports to be na because na board the neighbor no na pese acquire board the neighbor ye should that set unfavorable grounds to be am the board no and until holding on the press conference but we and you intel say and the board ni be hold on their first major meeting na first major meeting now I didn't say in the subsequent days because last week you catch us Kejetia the ICU.
Yes, I mean, Nanka.
Yes. It is a board, not the fire a back. Doctor, what a J patient, not patient in the ICU. Woman special care. It is a mayor board, a more official board meeting, I didn't say in the subsequent days. Traders Union, instead of saying they make a press conference, near Abushi the board. But your best say you better table your grievances officially documented near the Akwasi company for any
through more reps. Yes, sir.
No, to the secretary to the board straight.
I didn't hear.
Well, the entire your reps in the bed discuss it. But said a backward table no soon a meeting agenda soon terminating. You better submit it to the secretary to the board. No one will say or give you the agency. Because the command rep, if you are not secretary, waterman, so I have a different agenda for the other meetings. But you submit your concerns need to the secretary now. I think they get to the necessary attention as early as possible. Kejetia, as we all know, at the ICU.
I see. Nana,
and one of the symptoms of the ICU, you know. Sir John, January bill by ECG bill and they Africa, no. January for Kejetia, 14 billion for that a single month. 14 billion.
Senior.
Yeah, it's some that
I said that one says some who used to bulk meter. And to make us some that day.
My own says, okay, should be the ICU, intensive care unit. Say that so many symptoms. It's one of the symptoms, you know, any one bulk meter, no Kejetia as a matter of urgency, board no initiative process. Now we engage contractors, my normal meters in the mind. 2, the fire safety mechanisms are a genuine and there several reports. Amaya who say you know. It's a no dear mean and issues, you know. Yes, I may say the one the my board officially.
Okay.
In the coming days. But I don't say the change, you know, so a bit now you management board in the Babao.
Well, how do you say in general?
Oh, that is now board need to keep policy decision. I want to be implemented.
Except any is nothing on baby at Tumuna. Man for a day. Nemo mono in Comobacono, no, so many years, man. Comobacona, Bacono.
So I don't come back. I don't know. Can you feel like I can be not go on with you?
Yempe, say, I make a say, I bet you mocon. Is it
I bet you I can't about the issue. They should call on some of us because some of us wrote petitions.
Okay.
So they don't call the board in anyhow.
Right.
Not petitions are, you know, Omuninaso. So I don't be application for management. I may apply you.
You, Yate. No job, what job we not? What job we not? Where job? You know, be MD on.
So come to them.
And teach them no young coffin help back on our way, Mr. My influence. And I'm that's it. Therefore, I'm going to see Prempeh, a president of the Federation of Kumasi Traders Association, and the end of the from the end of the Kumasi City Market Traders Union. I mean,